Imagine mga kapatid, Mary, a young mother, holding her baby, pero kailangang tumakas sa gabi, leaving everything behind to protect the Son of God. And here's something beautiful. Mary didn't just give birth to Jesus. She continually trusts and believed Him. Fast forward 30 years later, in the book of John chapter 2, may isang kasalan sa Cana of Galilee. At sabi doon, naubusan sila ng wine. In Jewish culture, isa itong malaking kahihiyan. Now in John 2 verse 3, Mary said to Jesus, naubusan na sila ng wine. And the next verse, Jesus answered, Woman, what does this have to do with me? My hour has not yet come. Now, how can you imagine mga kapatid? Ang batang pinotektahan mo, ang batang inalagaan mo, ang batang pinalaki mo, ang tawag sa'yo, woman. Pero in verse 5, sabi ni Mary sa mga servant, do whatever He tells you. She didn't argue, hindi siya nag-demand. She simply trusts the Lord. At dahil doon, Jesus performed His first miracle in Cana of Galilee by turning water into wine. Mga kapatid, Mary's life's message was very clear that she trusts God, she obeys God, and she point people to Jesus. Now mga kapatid, what if God is asking you to do right now? Paano kung sabihin niya sa iyo ngayon na piliin mong magtiwala sa Kanya kaysa mag-alala? Paano kung sabihin niya sa iyo ngayon na piliin mong magpatawad kaysa magkimkim ng galit? Paano kung sabihin niya sa iyo ngayon na piliin mong tumahimik kaysa manakit ng salita? Paano kung sabihin niya sa iyo ngayon na piliin mong magmahal kaysa magtanim ng sama ng loob? Paano kung sabihin niya sa iyo ngayon na piliin mong sundin ang Diyos kaysa sundin ang emosyon natin? Mary did not understand everything. Nanalig lang siya sa Diyos. And because of her obedience, generation were blessed. Mga kapatid, hindi kailangan maging perfect. Mary was not chosen because she was powerful. She was chosen because she was willing. Pwede niyang sabihin sa anghel, no. But instead, she chose to say yes. God is not looking for a most qualified. Ang hanap niya ay yung may surrender sa puso. Be like Mary. Lord, I am your servant. Let it be to me according to your word. Dahil mga kapatid, your simple yes can open the door for God's miracle.